Hi, I'm Steve from Coolum Motors. We specialise in Volkswagen Amaroks and European stuff. A lot of modifications, as you can see from the car behind me. Lift kits, wheels, tyres, exhaust, tunes, pretty much anything in between. Opened this place 14 years ago. Manta came on the scene about 13 years ago. Well, around about 2011 when the first Amaroks came out, I bought one and obviously wanted to start modifying it. Daniel from Manta came on the scene and we started fitting their exhausts, and we've been fitting them ever since. So today we've done a Manta 3-inch back exhaust with a sports muffler. Obviously the faster you get the exhaust gas out the back, the cooler it is for the engine, but also it's a V6 engine and it sounds like a 2-cylinder most of the time. So you put a good Manta system on it with a sports muffler and it really opens it up and gives an amazing tone when you're actually driving the vehicle. Back in 2011, I bought a 2-litre Amarok. It was one of the very first ones in the country. We started modifying it and everyone seemed to be scared of them, probably because they're European and they're a bit different to all the other 4-wheel drive utes on the market. So we sort of jumped on that and ran with it, really. And then 2017, they brought the V6 model out, which has just been astronomically successful for Volkswagen and ourselves. To get stuff from WA over to the East Coast used to take a while. Now that they've got warehouses in Melbourne, we're getting exhaust within 2-3 days. We have tried multiple along the years, but we always come back to Manta because the fit and the finish is bar none the best I've seen. It always fits, it sounds brilliant. It's not tinny like some of the Chinesium steel you get. They're just perfect every single time out the box.